All right, y'all. So we are back and we are going to go over the job posting request form. So again, this is the first step in the new hire process. And basically, if you have a specific candidate or need to fill a role in your area, either way, you'll still need to request that the regional office creates a job posting for the open position so the applicants can be collected and to ensure just equity and fairness in the region's hiring process. So to do so, you're going to go down here. What are you requesting? You're going to say job posting request. And then again, just a reminder that once the regional office requests a job posting from the HR office, it can take about 5 to 7 business days to process. Once a job is posted and ready for applicants, it has to be posted for at least 2 weeks. So this is the requirement from HR. Again, the job posting request is not required for student staff positions, but all other positions. If you need assistance in figuring out what to put down for the position description or responsibilities or qualifications, we recommend using these 2 resources. The first is going to be a job description template found on Staff Resources. So Staff Resources has all of these different amazing job descriptions that you can view and tweak based on what you're hiring and what your area needs. So again, this is just the example for an area director, but it has a lot of great information that you can copy and paste or edit if needed for your specific job posting. The other resource, going back to the form here, the other resource is current job openings to see just examples of what the job posting looks like and what people have included. So you can go down here. Usually I just click the Northwestern division and then I just go down to Oregon. So let's say, okay, I am looking to submit an area director job posting. So this is an example of the area's description as well as the AD responsibilities, qualifications, benefits, etc. So that's just a great way to get examples or inspiration as you create your own job posting. So going back again to the job posting request, you're going to put your name, your position or title, and again, we recommend that this is the supervisor filling this form out, as well as your email address, the title of the requested position, the area number and area name, as well as the area zip code, who will be the new hire's supervisor, when you hope the position is filled by, the supervisor's email, full-time or part-time. Again, a reminder that 173.33 hours a month is full-time, 130 hours per month qualifies for benefits, and 173.33 mandates benefits with the option to opt out. So just a quick little reminder on full-time versus part-time status and when benefits kick in. If it's part-time, what will the monthly hours be? Again, monthly hours, not weekly hours. So if you're thinking, I want this person to work 10 hours a week, you would just multiply that by 4.33 as that's the average. So 10 times 4.33 is about 43 hours a month would be equate to 10 hours a week. And then again, just put in the description, responsibilities, qualifications, benefits, any notes that you would like inputted on the job posting, and then whether or not you want it featured on the national Monday morning newsletter and or our regional newsletter, the first and third. And then you will go ahead and submit. Once you submit, the regional office will again request that formal job posting from the HR office, which takes about 5 to 7 business days. And we will CC whoever filled out and submitted this form. So whether that's you, the supervisor, which we recommend, or your admin, we'll CC them so that they get that confirmation that we have requested that formal job position as well. If you have any questions about the job posting request form, please let us know.